35 is now going for the flood watch. Please decode it. I'm not expecting it at this point. No, it's not. KWO35 is now relaying the flood watch. No!
Until 8 a.m. You should monitor weather forecasts and the alerts for possible flooding.
It looks like a tropo's going on at the moment. It only took them an hour! Tornado watch. You can hear my WR300 in the back.
Tornado watch 350 remains.
What?
Daylight time tonight for the following areas. In Delaware, this watch includes 3 counties. In central Delaware,
What?
10. In northern Delaware,
What the? Hold on, what? What?
with highs in the mid-80s.
What is this doing?
In central New Jersey, Mercer, Monmouth. In southern New Jersey, Atlantic, Burlington, Camden.
Alright, well, I'm in the tornado watch. But I believe WNG should tone any second. But what is happening?
Delaware,
I know the issue happened like an hour ago.
Atlantic, City, Camden, Centerville,
These guys are relaying it from weather.gov.
Walestown, Easton, Freehold, Georgetown, Glassboro.
Are you guys actually relaying this from weather.gov?
Ocean City, Pennsville, Philadelphia, Toms River, Trenton,
8:20 p.m. For Monday, sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. Southwestern.
Probably gonna do Cecil County next.
following is a flood
Nope.
statement.
But
Watch remains in effect from 7 p.m.
these guys just relayed the tornado watch from weather.gov. WNG got 704's gone off.
In central Delaware.
Finally!
In southern Delaware. In Maryland, this watch includes 4 counties. In northeastern Carolina,
Oh, they're gonna do the same thing as WKIH28.
this watch includes 10 counties. In central New Jersey, Mercer, Monmouth. In southern New Jersey, Atlantic, Burlington, Camden, Cape May, Cumberland, Gloucester, Ocean. Pennsylvania, this watch includes 5 counties. In southeast Pennsylvania, Buck, Delaware, Philadelphia, cities of Atlantic, City, Camden, Centerville, Cherryville, Town, Denton, Bedford, Dover, Doylestown, Easton, Freehold, Georgetown, Glassboro, Hamilton, Media, Millville, Morristown, Mount Money, Georgetown, Ocean City, Pennsville, Philadelphia, Toms River, Trenton, Westchester, and Wilmington. Here is the
Alright, so thank you PHI for finally toning the TOA after an hour. You can kind of hear it right now. They're activating for an SCR and for Anne Arundel County.
The severe storm warning for northwestern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, southeastern Howard County.
Yes! Whatever tropo's going on, thank you. Just gotta put it down real quick to get the window up. But thank you, whatever tropo's going on. Alright, I'm gonna have to go outside now. So, we need to get the alerts. just got an SVR for Anne Arundel County, so let's keep going. We're not done yet. Who said we're done? Keep going. I don't give a fuck there's a tornado watch. I don't give the fuck that there's 6 bugs. Alright, looks like... Oh wait, WBA. I was gonna go off for one of the SVRs. Alright. I'm not gonna be able to get WXK anymore. Alright. Let's see if it's still on.
Wind 5.
Right, another tornado watch. What is going on here? Huh?
The following is a tornado watch announcement from the National
Probably North Jersey.
Midnight Service has issued tornado watch number 350, effective until midnight Saturday.
Wasn't this already issued?
The watch includes the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, in the afternoon, Maryland, and the following with gusts up to 25 Delaware.
Oh my god.
And the following marine locations.
This was... What are you doing?
To Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay North of Fools Island.
What is this?
The showers after. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable.
What? This was issued hours ago. You already told this.
Maryland, in the following county.
Wasn't this already issued?
For internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 350 has been issued until midnight Saturday for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and Cecil, Maryland.
I'm
and the
pretty
following
sure this was
counties
already
in
issued.
New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester.
KW35 is yet to relay then.
Montgomery and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations. And becoming partly cloudy. Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay North of Fools Island, Maryland.
Hold on.
350 remains valid until.
WXK 97 tornado warning. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree Tornado
damage is
warning is
likely.
going over WXK 97.
Will be near. Feel around 7 to 10 p.m. Other locations impacted by the tornadic thunderstorms include Lafayette, Howard, and Tracy's Landing. Take cover now. Move to a basement or
Do not leave me at the end of the damn alert. Just to make sure this isn't a double header. Alright, so another tornado warning. WXK 97.
Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Howard County in central Maryland, eastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, north central Prince George's County in central Maryland until 11 p.m.
Alright.
Heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour.
No, don't leave me.
Possible in the warned
Yeah,
area.
thank you.
Flash flooding is ongoing order.
How the hell did this thing decode the SVR?
Central Maryland. Following county, Anne Arundel, Maryland. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Eastern Bay until 9:30 p.m. 8:05 p.m. Existing waterspouts were located near Vale, moving northeast at 25 knots.
Oh gosh.
Hazard, wind gusts. Thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds and hail. For Saturday, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and up to 20 knots. Sea locations in Frankfurt include Pinehurst, Rock Hall, Chester River, Gibson Island, Monson,
Oh, come on.
Love Point, Naval Academy, Shadyside, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Baltimore Light, Severn River, Mattapique, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Thomas Point, 7-foot Mill, Roosevelt, Kent Narrows Bridge, and Mayo. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for Central Maryland and adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. This is the surf forecast for the following county: Eastern Monmouth, New Jersey. Caused by thunderstorms. Short, radar. Intense, flash flooding of small creeks. Urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Forest drainage and low-lying areas.
Oh boy. Alright, another flash flood warning.
Flooding includes Baltimore, Elkridge,
Alright, the city of Baltimore is now in a flash flood warning. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
for Anne Arundel County, Howard County, Montgomery County, and Prince George County, effective until 9:17 p.m.
Flood warning.
From this afternoon to this evening. Impact is 9.0 feet. Several driveways and other minor roadways are affected.
WNG. Rain warning! What the hell? Alright, well, already a start today.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning to Drunk Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay North, of Pools,
WNG!
Chester River, Queenstown, Maryland.
WNG 704. That's. Yup, they are deactivated.
12:20 p.m. Strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending to 44 miles.
Yup.
Reagan National Airport, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail.
Oh wait, that's WXM 60.
Overboard by winds. Locations and tactics include
Hello?
Point State.
WXK 97 hello? Again, hello? I hear the end headers on WNG already.
Here is the official National Weather Service forecast.
SVR now. SVR now. Alright. Who's this for?
The National
Kent,
Weather
Delaware,
Service in Mount Holly,
Caroline.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Kent County and central Delaware.
If you keep going straight,
Alright. Alright, the event has officially begun.
We could be praying for you.
Are you that friend who always finds the best songs first? Do people ask you for playlists? Then it's time to put your skills to use.
Alright, WKVP is going off now. WWJZ is expected to go off. God, that's loud.
Central Caroline County in eastern Maryland. Southern Kent County in northeastern Maryland.
Mount Holly, New Jersey.
3:15 p.m. Severe thunder.
Where's my ER210? Where's my ER210?
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following county: Kent, Delaware, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Kent, Queen Anne, and Talbot.
And
Here is the regional weather forecast. I think the Philadelphia metropolitan area. Coastal flood advisory in effect until 7 a.m. this morning. Today, showers likely with a slight.
I don't care. I'm gonna wait for them to end.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following county: Kent, Delaware, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Kent, Queen Anne, and Talbot. Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown. The Little Choptank River. Eastern Bay until 2:15 p.m. At 1:19 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles northwest of Memphis to near Shadyside, 8 nautical miles southwest of Chesapeake Beach, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, measured wind gust at Ronald Reagan Washington National Airport. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Choptank River, Kent Narrows Bridge, Rock Hall, Eastern Bay, Black Onet Point, Greenberry Point, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Severn River, Bloody Brook Light, Point Light, Scotland Island, Baltimore Light, Dares Beach, Roman Cove, and Mattapique. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Wait, I got a sign. Daddies, I need to sign.
Here is
SVR. Kent, Sussex.
the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Sussex County in southern Delaware, southwestern Kent County in central Delaware, east central Talbot County in eastern Maryland, southern Caroline County in eastern Maryland
I don't think
until
I'll do that.
2:30 p.m. At 1:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Matthews, Porter, moving at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, siding, trees, lines,
Alert.
building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, and Sussex, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, and Talbot. Here is the official national.
On the bed side. Frame is perfect. It's just got surface rust.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay, coastal waters from Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware out 20 nautical miles, outer waters from Cape May, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 3:15 p.m. At 2:09 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles southwest of Woodland Beach to 15 nautical miles west of Slaughter Beach to 20 nautical miles north of Bivalve, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Brown Shoal Light, Fenwick Island, 14-foot Bank Light, Slaughter Beach, Cape Henlopen, East Point, Bowers Beach, Rehoboth Beach, Cape May Point, Miamal Light, Brandywine Shoal Light, Indian River Inlet Bridge, Wildwood, Overfalls Shoal, Fortesk Beach, Bethany Beach, Delaware Lightship Buoy 44,009, Buoy 2 milliseconds, and Cross Ledge Light. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Where's KW35?
City metropolitan area.
SVR! What the fuck? What the hell? Alright, well, here we go. More events.
National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, central Salem County in southern New Jersey, southern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, until 5:45 p.m.
Oh boy.
At 5:04, the thunderstorm was located over Woodstown, or 12 miles southeast of Wilmington, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Oh my gosh.
Possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Violet, Millville, Glassboro, Clayton, Rena, Woodstown, Alloway, Newfield, Elmer, Franklinville, Victory Lakes, Alaska, Malaga, Seagull, Monroe Township, Williamstown, and Southern Gloucester County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent clouds and ground like during this storm.
Locations impacted include Violet, Millville, Glassboro, Clayton, Lena, Woodstown, Alloway, Newfield, Elmer, Franklinville, Victory Lakes, Olivet, Malaga, Seabrook, Orange, South Violent, Rosen.
And Salem and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Violet, Millville, Glassboro, Clayton, time 06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Franklinville, Victory Lakes, Olivet, Malaga, Seabrook, Farms, South Violent, Rosenhaven.
No, we're not. WWJZ is still going off.
Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Cumberland, Gloucester, and Salem.
Yep, another alert in the camera.